Section 5. Power and Performance Redefined. The Mercedes Maybach S Class 2025 offers a selection of powerful engine options, each delivering effortless acceleration and a refined driving experience. The base engine is a potent V8, while those seeking even more power can opt for the handcrafted V12 engine, a masterpiece of German engineering. Both engine options are paired with a smooth-shifting 9-speed automatic transmission that seamlessly transfers power to all four wheels. The Maybach S Class glides effortlessly from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a matter of seconds, making it one of the quickest luxury sedans on the road. Despite its size and weight, the Maybach S Class handles with surprising agility thanks to its advanced air suspension system. This system constantly adjusts to road conditions, providing a magic, carpet-like ride quality that isolates passengers from imperfections in the road. While fuel economy might not be a primary concern for Maybach S-Class buyers, it's worth noting that the car delivers respectable fuel efficiency figures for its class.